everyone, this is day 3 of the vlog, the 30-day vlog, and I'm going to be short and sweet because that ride today is blowing an absolute hoolie. I'm just going to let a little rip out the back of the car, out the back of the pickup. It's the 3rd time we've been up today, but we tried to ride this morning, but it just would have been ridiculous. So it's a bit less now, but it's still not good. So I'm going to feed the boys and let them out into the field. Hello, this is Cozy. Come on then, let's get you some tea. Come on, Dylan. So you'll see that Tiny's got his coat on because he's a little old man. He's an old man, he's 23. He just prefers having his coat on. Shoot, I didn't make any sugar beet up this morning. I know what I'll do. I'll let them out and then I'll make some sugar beet. And they can have their feet in the field. Do you want to go out first? Come on, boys. We're adapting. We're adapting, Tiny. Come on then. Come on then. You've got wild hair. Wild hair. Come on, boys. A fantastic gate. Closer. Right, you're in the wrong place, Chief. You always do this. That's it. You want to be first and you make yourself last, don't you? Does such a good job. Rip! I'll do. Good boy. I'm going to turn the fence back on. Most important job. You don't want to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and realise you didn't do it. Sorry, Charlie. Okay, kicked the ball about 100 times for little Rip, so only another 100 to go. So we'll get this sugar beet, speedy beet, sorted out. Alright, so Tiny gets a whole one, and fatty number 1 gets not a lot, and fatty number 2 gets not a lot. Here we go. For some reason Dylan is always first. Can you, Dylan? Oh, it's quite warm. Sunshine. Hello, sunshine. There you go. Come sit with me, sit down. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Where are you? Are you there? He's here. Right, that was really windy, really windy. It might not sound it on the film, but blimey. So me and little Rip are just gonna go for a tootle, a walk. We're gonna go for a walk. We are. And we'll see you tomorrow.